Hello guys, welcome back to my channel JBR Online Classes. Like, share and subscribe my channel.
So hello everyone, now in this video I'm going to start from sum number 18. For the previous one, please check the description box, the link will be there. So here, find the sum of n terms of a series whose mth term, okay, that means here am, it's mth term, so am equal to 2 to the power m plus 2m. Find the sum of the n terms of a series whose mth term is equal to this one. So here you can write down Sn equal to summation m equal to 1 to n and here am. So that means here summation m equal to 1 then n, then here you can write down 2 to the power m plus 2m, as this one is the value of am. So summation f equal to m equal to 1 to n, then 2 to the power m plus again summation m equal to 1 to n, here 2m. Okay, so that means here you can write down 2 to the power 1 plus 2 to the power 2 plus 2 to the power 3 up to 2 to the power m, and here if 2 common, so it becomes 1 plus 2 plus 3 dot 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 up to n. Okay, as here a equal to 2 and r equal to also 2, so the second series of an AP with a equal to 1 and d equal to 1. So that means the first one here a equal to 1, d equal to 1, because this one is an AP series, and the first one here the GP where a equal to 2 and r equal to 3. So here Sn equal to a, then r to the power n minus 1 divided by r minus 1, that is the formula. And here as this one is AP, so 2 into here Sn formula, that is n by 2, n by 2, then here 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, it's clear. So now you can write down here 2, then here 2 to the power n minus 1, here r means 2 minus 1, here 2 cancel out n, and then here 2a means 2, then here n minus 1, d means 1. Okay, so here 2 into 2 to the power n minus 1 plus n, and here 2 minus 1 it's 1, so 1 plus n. So that one equal to, you can write down 2 into 2 to the power n minus 1 plus n into n plus 1. Okay, so this one is your answer. Now the next one, some number here 19. So here in sum number 19, sum the series x into x plus y plus x square into x square plus y square plus x cube into x cube plus y cube plus dot 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 up to n terms. Okay, so first you have to let here Sn equal to this one. Okay, because you have to find out the sum of the terms. So next one you can write down, so here Sn equal to here x square, then x to the power 4, this one x square, this one here x to the power 4, this one here x to the power 6. Okay, dot 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 up to n terms in first bracket. Now next one here x into y, so it becomes here xy, then second one will be here x square y square, in this way x cube y cube plus dot 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 up to n terms. Okay, so here the first series forms GP where a equal to here x square and r equal to here again x square, and the second also a GP where a equal to here xy, and in that case r equal to also here xy. So now here Sn equal to, you can write down x square, then here 1 minus x square to the power 2n. Okay, as x square to the power n, so x square to the power 2n, so 1 minus x square. Then from the next one here xy, and here 1 minus xy to the power n okay, then here divided by 1 minus xy. Okay, so that one will be here x square common, so it becomes here x to the power n minus 1, here x square minus 1, and in that case here x, then write down here x to the power n, y to the power n minus 1, and then divided by xy minus 1 as your answer. Now next, sum number 20. In sum number 20, find the sum of the series here 1 plus, then here 1 plus x in bracket, after that 1 plus x square plus dot 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 here up to n terms. Okay, here up to n terms where x not equal to 1. Okay, so here just do one thing, first multiplying, okay, multiplying both side with 1 minus x, because as here let down, first if I write down here is n equal to 1 plus 1 plus x, then here 1 plus x square plus dot 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 up to here in terms. Now if you multiply 1 minus x in both sides, so it becomes here 1, then here 1, then here 1 dot 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 up to n terms. Or do one thing, just write down, don't need to write down directly, just first write down here 1 minus x, as you multiply 1 minus x both side, this one will be here 1 minus x square, after that it will be here 1 minus x cube plus dot 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 up to n terms. So now you can write down here 1 plus 1 plus 1 dot 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 up to n terms. Okay, and the next one will be here x, here minus common, so x plus x square plus x cube plus dot 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 up to n terms. Okay, so it will be here 1, sorry, it's n, it will be here n, then minus next one here x into 1 minus x to the power n divided by 1 minus x, the formula of gp. So here it's 1 by 1 minus x. Okay, and then here n into 1 minus x minus x 1 minus x to the power n, right? Now the next one here 1 by 1 minus x whole square, so n into 1 minus x, then x into 1 minus x to the power n, x to the power n. Okay, that is your answer. Now next one, sum number here 21. Okay, sum number 21, the first one is as same as the previous one, so just next one here sum number 2. In sum number 2 here, find the sum of the following here 1 by it's 2 to the power 2, then next one here plus again 1 by 2 plus here 1 by 2 to the power 4 plus here again 1 by 2 to the power 2 plus here 1 by 2 to the power 6 plus dot 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 up to infinity. Okay, so first here write down this one as is, so next line you can write down here 1 plus half plus 1 by 2 to the power 2 plus dot 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 up to infinity, and this one you can write down 1 by 2 to the power square plus 1 by 2 to the power 4 plus 1 by 2 to the power 6 dot 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 up to infinity. Okay, so here the first formula, it's 1 by 1 minus 1 by 2, and the next one will be here 1 by 2 to the power 2 1 minus 1 by 2 to the power 2, that one equal to 1 by half plus here 1 by 4 by 1 minus 1 by 4, that means here 3 by 4, so 4 cancel out, 2 plus 1 by 3, and that is equal to here 7 by 3 as your answer. Next, number 22. In number 22, find the sum of the following terms. So here the first term is 7 plus 77, then here 777 plus dot dot dot. Okay, up to here the n terms. Okay, so first here write down here Sn equal to this one and dot 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 up to here n terms. So if 7 common, then it becomes 1 plus 11 plus 1 plus dot 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 up to n terms. Okay, now as here 7 by 9, so you can write down here 9 plus 99, then again 999 plus dot 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 here in terms. Clear? Okay. Now the next thing is 7 by 9 and here 9. You can write down 9 as 10 minus 1. Okay, and 99 as 100 minus 1, 999 as 1000 minus 1. Okay, in this way डॉट 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 अप टू हियर इन टर्म्स. अब इसको हम दोनों सीरीज में डिवाइड करेंगे. पहले यहाँ पर लिखेंगे हम 10, फिर उसके बाद लिखेंगे 100 मीन्स 10 स्क्वायर, देन यहाँ पर 10 क्यूब प्लस डॉट 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 अप टू इन टर्म्स. ओके, और यहाँ पर माइनस कॉमन लेंगे और यहाँ पे लिखेंगे 1 प्लस 1 प्लस 1 डॉट 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 अप टू इन टर्म्स. ओके, इस तरह से मैंने डिवाइड कर दिया. सो द नेक्स्ट वन विल बी हियर 7 बाई 9 और यहाँ पर जीपी सीरीज का फॉर्मूला अप्लाई होगा. सो 10 इंटू 10 टू द पावर n माइनस 1 डिवाइडेड बाई 10 माइनस 1, दैट मीन्स यहाँ 9 और यहाँ पर माइनस यहाँ पर आपका माइनस n. ओके, हो गया. सो इट विल बी हियर 7 बाई 81 देन 10 टू द पावर n प्लस 1 माइनस 10 and minus 9n. Okay, so that is your answer. Now the next one will be as same as this one, third one will be also same, so I hope you can solve it. So here in sum number 23, sum the series here 1 by 2 plus 3 by 4, then here plus 7 by 8 plus 15 by 16 dot 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 up to n terms again. Okay, so you can write down 1 by 2 as 1 minus half, no problem. Next one 1 minus 1 by 4, it becomes 3 by 4. 1 minus here 1 by 8, 7 by 8. Then here 1 minus 8, 1 by 16 plus dot 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 up to n terms. Now separate 1 plus 1 plus 1 up to n terms, and the next one if minus common, so 1 by 2, then here 1 by 4, 1 by 8, 1 by 16 dot 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 up to n terms. So that one equal to n, and this one here they apply the formula of GP, half 1 minus 1 by 2 to the power n divided by 1 minus half. So n minus here half cancel out, so 1 minus 1 by 2 to the power n. Okay, so 1 minus 1 plus n minus 1 1 by 2 to the power n, that is your answer. Now next one, sum number 24. If S1, S2 and S denote respectively the sum of n and 2n an infinite number of terms of a GP, then prove that here S1, here S1 minus S, that one equal to S1 minus S2 into S. Okay, so it means here S1 denote sum of n terms. So you know the formula, a 1 minus r to the power n divided by 1 minus r. Again same formula here, 1 minus r to the power n, 1 minus r. And here s denote infinite number of terms, sum of infinite number of terms. So a by 1 minus r. So here S1 equal to also a 1 minus r to the power n 1 minus r. Next S2, okay, S2 denotes sum of 2n terms. So it means here a, then here 1 minus r to the power 2n, here 1 minus r. And again S denote a 1 minus r. You have to show that these two are equal. So here a, then 1 minus r to the power n 1 minus r into, as here LCM 1 minus r, so a minus a r to the power n minus a. So it means here a cancel out, so a into 1 minus r to the power n, then here 1 minus r whole square into here minus a r to the power n. Okay, minus a r to the power n. So now if you multiply a with this one, so it will be here a square and then into r to the power n, and it will be here r to the power n minus 1, as 1 here, here minus minus it becomes plus. Okay, so here 1 minus r whole square. Is it clear? Now next one, the right one. In right one here also 1 minus r is the LCM, so a minus a r to the power n minus a plus a r 2n into here a1 minus r. Again here a cancel out, so as here a r to the power n is common, so it becomes here r to the power n and then here minus 1. Okay, and divided by 1 minus r its whole square, and here also r sorry, it becomes a square. So the left hand side and the right hand side are equal. Okay, now next one here, sum number 25. In sum number 25, the sum of an infinite GP is 16. The sum of the square of its term 153 whole 3 by 5. Find the common ratio and the fourth term of the progression. Okay, so in that case here S infinity. S infinity, you know the formula, that is A by 1 minus R. That one equal to 16. So 16 equal to A by 1 minus R. That means here A equal to 16 into 1 minus R. Now the sum of the square of its term. Sum of the square of its term, that means here A square by 1 minus R square. Okay, and according to that formula here 153 then 3 by 5. That means here 768 by 5. Okay, 768 by 5. So a square, if you write down the value is, sorry, just write down a square minus 1 by 1 by r square, it's 768 by 5. Now a square means here 16 square, so 16 square, then here 1 minus r whole square, and here 1 minus r square means 1 minus r then 1 plus r, that one equal to 768 by 5. So 1 minus r will be cancelled out, and then here 1 minus r by 1 plus r, that one equal to here 768 by 5, then here 1 by here 16 square, so 256. Okay, so just cancel out and you will get here 3 by 5. So now cross multiply and find out r. In that case r equal to here 1 by 4. So if r equal to 1 by 4, then you can easily find out the value of a, and here value of a will be, I hope it's 12. So if a equal to here 12, r equal to 1 by 4, then the fourth term, okay, fourth term means a r cube, that means here 12 into 1 by 4 cube, that one equal to here 3 by 16. Okay, as your answer. Next, sum number 26. A snail starts moving towards a point 3 cm away at a pace of 1 cm per hour. As it gets tired, it covers only half the distance compared the previous hour in each succeeding hour. In how much time will the snail reach the target? Okay, it's very easy. So that means first here you have to make the GP series. So for the first one it will be here 1, okay, 1 centimeter per hour. Now for the next one it will be here half, then after that it will be here half square, then dot 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 up to infinity. Okay, so here you can apply the formula of S infinity. So a equal to 1, r equal to half, so s infinity, not sn, S infinity equal to 1 by 1 minus half, that will equal to 2 centimeter. Okay, since it is given that the snail is at a distance of 3 centimeter from the target, so hence the snail never reach at the target. Okay, the snail never reach at the target. That is your answer. Now the last one, sum number 27. So guys, if you like my video, please share this video and please subscribe my channel. So here in sum number 27, the inventor of a chessboard was a very clever man. He asked the king a reward of 1 grain of wheat of the first square, 2 gains for the second, 4 gains for the third, so on, doubling the amount of grain for each subsequent square. How many grains would have to given? So number of grains for the first square, that is 1. Number of grains for the second square, that is 2. Number of grains for the third square, that is 2 to the power 2, because 4, so 4 means 2 to the power 2. Since there are total 64 square in a chessboard, so total number of grains given to the king, the inventor, that is here 1 plus, then here plus 2 to the power square dot dot dot, here up to 64 terms. So it means here a equal to 1, r equal to 2. So a 64 equal to here 1 into 2 to the power 64 minus 1, then 2 minus 1. So it will be here 2 to the power 64 minus 1 as your answer.